Today we're going to look at how to maximize the service access on the CAT Next Gen Mini Hydraulic Excavators 1.5 ton to 3.5 ton. This is a standard feature for these size of models. So we're going to have a look at what you need to do to be able to tilt that cab up. First off, you just need some basic hand tools. You need a 16mm socket for removing the panels. You need a 24mm fixed wrench and a 24mm ratchet wrench. First thing you'll need to do, using your 16mm socket, is remove the two bolted access panels. There's going to be one on the right hand side of the machine and another on the left hand side of the machine. Once you've removed those panels, you will see a bolt that looks just like this. You might think this is fairly familiar. It's the same type of bolting system used on the skid steer loaders. Slight difference, we're using a 2 lock nut system on this. So with your 24mm wrenches, you hold the bottom, undo the lock nut on the top, and then hold the very bottom and take and remove this bolt. There's one bolt on the left, one bolt on the right. You can actually get to this point of tilting the cab in less than 3 minutes. Once the cab is ready to tilt, both hands, bent knees, lift, cab goes up, hydraulic shock assist to lift it, and then it locks into the safety. Simple as that. To lower the cab back down, you just need to take a little bit of weight off the cab, lift up the safety, and let it come down back into its place. You then replace both of the cab bolts, torque them down, replace your panels. You've just created maximum access to a next-gen 1.5 to 3.5 ton mini hydraulic excavator to maximize your service. So like I said, the tilt feature is standard on cab machines and canopy machines. This is a 303 canopy machine we're looking at. Once it is tilted up, like with all the machines in this range, you can unbolt the side door. Now this is a side door, it is bolted for safety and security, but you can open that side up to start accessing the machine from this angle. We will have another service access door on the right hand side of the machine. Notice the new latches that we have on these machines, easy to open. And here you'll see the coolant package, battery to the access, and your hydraulic fill. And if we wander to the back of the machine, we open up the engine door and it gives us access to the back of the engine. So the tilt feature is also very similar on the smaller 1 to 2 ton machines, cab and canopy tilt. But in this case, you'll see the battery is located right underneath here. Now, I don't want you to think that you have to tilt the canopy or the cab to jump start the machine. We have an access panel in the top here with a couple of thumb screws. You just lift that out and then you can jump start the machine very easy without having to tilt the cab or canopy. Once again, the side door is a door. It is bolted for safety and security. Once you open up that, you got access to your hydraulic fill. And once again, if we walk around to the other side of the machine, another one of those easy opening doors to get to the coolant package to be able to clean it, and your radiator fill, and at the back of the machine, access to the CAT diesel engine. So there you have it, another how-to video on how to maximize the service access on the CAT Next Generation Mini Hydraulic Excavators 1.5 ton to 3.5 ton. And just as a recap, the tilt cab feature is standard on all cabs, canopies from the 1.5 ton model all the way to the 3.5 ton model. So more information on the service access of the CAT Next Generation Mini Hydraulic Excavators, please contact your local CAT dealer.